Hello friends. Now today we study about the truth tables of compound statements. A compound statement is also called a statement pattern. The truth value of a compound statement depends on the truth values of its components. Now the table which shows the truth values of a compound statement for all possible combinations of its components is called the truth table of the compound statement. Now first we will prepare the truth tables for the conjunction, then disjunction and rest all. So these truth tables are also referred to as the truth tables of the connectives. So in last video we have learned what are the connectives. So now we'll learn about the truth tables of the connectives. First is conjunction. Now truth value of the conjunction P and Q. Suppose we have two statements P and Q. Now connective is conjunction, so we'll use P and Q. So here the truth value of the conjunction P and Q is T, capital T, if both P and Q have the truth value as capital T. If both are true, then only the conjunction is true. Otherwise all are false. So if P is true, Q is F, it is F. If P is F, Q is F, Q is T, then also it is F. And if it is F, Q is F, then it is F. So only both are true, then it is true. Then we'll study about the disjunction. Here in disjunction, when it is, what is the truth table? We'll study that. The truth value of the disjunction is false when both the truth value of P and Q both are false. Then it is false. Like this. If it is true, both are true, then it is true. If one is true, other is false, then also it is true. If one is false, other is true, then also it is true. But if both are false, then only it is false. Otherwise, rest in all the cases, it is true. Okay. So in disjunction. Now next we will study about the implication. Third is implication or conditional. If P then Q. So here if P then Q, when it is false and true we will study. If it is both are true, then it is true. If P is true, the first statement is true, other is false, then only it is false. Rest F, T, it is true. F, it is true. So in only one case, if first is true, other is false, it is false. Rest all it is true. Now next is double implication or biconditional. It is called if and only if. So here if and only if means what? If P then Q and if Q then P. So here we'll see how it follows. If both statements P and Q both are true, then it is true. One is true, other is false, then it is false. One is false, other is true, then also it is false. And if one is false, other is false, it is true. So if both are true or both are false, then it is true. Rest in case other rest cases, if it is false. Now next is negation. In negation, not P. If P is the statement, not P is the connective. So here, if P is true, not P is F. If P is F, then it is true. So here we have learnt all the truth tables of connectives. Thank you very much for watching videos.